So what we will demonstrate now is to replace an RPL in the RCU system, which will be done in our demo environment here. So I have a service agent tag, I have a new lock, and I have my small system. So I begin with using my service agent tag to log in to the administration interface of the RCU. I press replace unit. I see a list of the connected buses to the RCU. It's indicated to the left if it's units connected live to the buses. So I know that my lock that I want to replace is placed on bus number 2, so I select it. And I find one RPL here placed in box ID 2. And that's the one that I want to replace. I get an overview, and yes, I want to replace the unit. And now the bus has turned itself off. So now I take my new lock, and I have my broken one. So what I do is replace it from the bus and add the new lock to the bus. And when this is done, I confirm that it's done. So now we need to wait for that the system restart the bus and find the new lock. And there the switch is done. So if you like, we can demonstrate that the new lock is working by selecting open box, select the box in box number 2. And now we can see that the new lock works as it should. And I can close it.